Hello children, welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art class. In today's class, our topic is pattern, design and motif. Our topic is pattern, design and motif. Pattern and design are the arrangement of lines or shapes. Pattern and design are the arrangement of lines or shapes. Motif is the repeated lines or shape at irregular intervals over a surface. Motif is the repeated lines or shape at irregular intervals over a surface. Pattern and shape are very important in card making to communicate the intended messages. Types of motif. Number 1, motif in visual arts. Number 2, motif in dance. Number 3, motif in music. Number 4, motif in movies. Number 5, motif in literature. Motif in visual arts, card making. Motif in visual arts, card making. Card making is the use of designs and or writing on cardboard to convey a special message. A card can convey a congratulatory message, condolence message, wishes, and so on. The message a card conveys depends on its type. Below are types of cards. Below are types of cards. There are different types of cards. Each of these cards are used for different occasions. Number 1, greeting cards. Greeting cards given on special occasions such birthday, Christmas, or Salah. The cards are given to show appreciation, thanks, or express other feelings. Number 2, invitation cards. Invitation cards are used to invite friends, family, and well-wishers to special occasions such as weddings, birthdays, burial ceremonies, political and religious events. Number 3, success cards. Number 3, success cards. Success cards are used to express best wishes in advance during all examination periods. It is also to express best wishes after someone succeeds in a particular field or business. Number 4, seasonal cards. Seasonal cards are used to express best wishes during specific festive seasons, for example, Christmas, New Year, Eid al-Fitr, and Eid al-Kabir. Number 5, condolence cards. Condolence cards are used to express sympathy to the bereaved. Condolence cards are used to express sympathy to the bereaved. Number 6, congratulatory cards. Congratulatory cards are used to rejoice with friends and families on their success, promotion, appointment, and wedding. So that is all for today. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.